An American Airlines flight, A1006, faced an engine fire shortly after takeoff from Colorado Springs, leading to an emergency evacuation at Denver International Airport around 5:15 p.m. Passengers reported a sudden flash of fire and thick smoke while taxiing, prompting a chaotic exit via emergency slides. All 172 passengers and 6 crew members evacuated safely, though 12 were taken to local hospitals with minor injuries. The FAA is investigating the incident, raising concerns about aviation safety amid recent challenges in the industry.